next topic is remembering those days. Now look, these three girls are remembering their days when they were younger. Okay, nowadays as we have seen the photograph, they looks like grandmothers. Okay, but when they were young, when they were playing kabaddi, they are remembering those days. Okay, now let us see what they are remembering. Leela and Hira still get very excited when they talk about their matches. Leela and Hira, these two are younger sisters. Okay, so what do they do? They still today, even today, they get excited. They feel very joyful, they feel very happy when they talk about their matches that they have played there during their younger period when they were young. Okay, they tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. They were about to lose some matches, but even though they won it. Okay, now this kind of situation occur in many games. For example, in cricket, you are supposed to lose. Okay, you are going to means there is no chance that you can win that match, but actually some magic occurs. Someone plays very good inning and the team wins the match. This kind of things occurs in sport. Okay, so they are also talking about them. They are about to lose some games, but they won it actually. Okay, this was possible because of their strong will. What is meaning of will? Strong desire. Okay, they were not going to give it up. Okay, मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि हमने अब हम हारने वाले हैं तो छोड़ दिया, हम हार ही जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं. उन्होंने होप नहीं छोड़ी. ओके, हारने वाले थे फिर भी उन्होंने जितना हो सके उतना ट्राई किया. एट द एंड दे वन द गेम. ओके, दिस वाज possible because of their strong will. Okay, during those matches some very interesting thing happened. Once they had to go to a different town for a big match. What happened? Now look, they were supposed to go to play kabaddi game in another town. Okay, not in their own village. Leela tells the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. What was the timing of match starting? It was 6:30 in the evening. So what did they plan? Look here, we went to see a movie from 3 to 6 o'clock. Now look, they were supposed to reach there at 6:30 and they went to see the movie in the slot of 3 to 6 o'clock. They have thought that after watching the movie at 6 we will reach to the ground at 6:30 and we will play the game. Okay, look at the confidence. Okay, they were not supposed to, they were not doing any practice. Okay, they were very confident about themselves, but what happened, let us see. Okay, we thought we would be back in time for the match. As soon as the movie started, अब जैसे ही वो लोग मूवी देखने थिएटर में गए और मूवी स्टार्ट हुई, क्या हुआ देखो. We noticed some noise and disturbance. There were some people who were making so much noise and they were disturbing it. Now let us see who were there. It was created by our mama. Look, their mama reached to the theater, who was looking for us in the hall and with a torch. He was carrying a torch. Okay, because generally there is a darkness in theater room, so he was carrying a torch and he was searching for these sisters. When he found us, and when actually he found these sisters Leela and Hira, he gave a big scolding right there in the cinema hall. उन सबको वहीं पे उन्होंने डांट दिया कि तुम्हारे 6:30 पे मैच है और तुम लोग अभी मूवी में थी, फिल्म देखने आ गए, ऐसा कैसे चलेगा. ओके, you might have got scolding sometime. Okay, your mother father may have scolded you. Okay, for example, if you are having an exam on head and you are going to watch movie, and if you are watching TV, then you might have got some scold from your parents also. Okay, the sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. Look what happened, they had to face many difficulties. Okay, as we have discussed, at that time people were against the playing of girls could not play kabaddi, so obviously they had to face many difficulties, but they did not give up. Hira, the younger sister, became a kabaddi coach. Okay, who was the youngest sister among them? Hira. Okay, and she is now a kabaddi coach. She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. What does she wish? She wishes that children should play kabaddi. Children should enjoy it because it is a very interesting game. Okay, and among these all the games, especially they should play kabaddi because she is a kabaddi player. So she wishes children to play kabaddi. That is obvious. Okay. Now let us see some questions. Have you learned any game from coach? Which one? Okay, if you have taken training from coach about and for any game, normally people generally today take coaching for cricket. Okay, because cricket is very famous sport in India. Okay, that is why there are many children who are taking coaching from some coaches to play cricket. So if you are taking any, then you can write it here, and if you haven't take any coaching from any coach, then you can say no. Okay, next is, do you know anyone who has learned any game from coach? So if you haven't taken coaching, then write about any of your friend or anyone you know that he has taken some coaching from someone. Okay, you can mention him here. Okay, now these topics are to discuss. Okay, so let us try to discuss it here only because we are not going to meet in the class very soon. Okay, now what is the first topic? How does a coach teach? Okay, coach कैसे सिखाता है? So if there is a SWAT coach, so there are some rules. So he will tell you the rules of game, he will tell you the strategies of game, he will tell you how to win the game, what to do in the game, all each and everything he will teach you. Okay, how does a coach make a player practice? So of course there is so much need of practice in any game. Okay, once you learn how to play that game, then only one thing is there, you have to practice and practice and practice, because practice makes man perfect. You have to be perfect, then you have to practice and practice and practice. Lots of practice is required, so obviously practice is there. How hard do you think the player have to work? Now look, if you have to get succeed in the any game, whether it is kabaddi, cricket, kho, football, whatever, if you want to become a famous player of it, an international player of it, if you want to represent your country, then you have to do so much of hard work. Okay, you cannot get chance in only 1 or 2 days hard work. You have to do so much of hard work, so it is obviously there. Okay, next is, have you ever thought of making a club for your favorite game? So first here you have to see what is your favorite game. Let us say cricket is your favorite game. So have you ever think about making a cricket club? If you have thought, then you can write yes. Okay, cricket club means one organization of your friend. Let us say there are 11 friend or 12 friend or 20 friend in your class who like to play cricket, so you can make a club. Okay, and you can play cricket, you can play game of matches of cricket in that club. Okay, hope you are getting it. Next is, imagine that there are 15 children to play kho. How many children are there? 15. Okay, they must form two teams with equal numbers, 7 in each. So one team will have to contain 7 players. In other team also there will be 7 players. So the total are 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 players. But you have 15 children, so one children still remain. So let us see what happens. Then one player will be left. What will you do if this happen? Now this condition happens so many times while we are playing cricket. Then what to do with that player? Okay, have you ever become an extra player in the middle? Okay, so he is an extra player. Have you ever become? Write about this. Okay, so let us think first, what will you do? So generally if we are playing cricket, then what do we do with this extra player? Normally we say him to become a wicket keeper. Okay, he will become wicket keeper and he will play from both the team. Isn't that strange? Yes, it is. He will become wicketkeeper and he will get his batting from both the team. So he will get to play, or he will get to chance to bat two times. Okay, so he will play from both the team. He will not be allowed to ball, and he will have to keep the wickets. Okay, so this kind of strategy we can use with an extra player. Okay, or another thing is we can make him referee or umpire. Okay, that is another thing that we can do. Okay, next is every game has some rules. game is played according to Game is played according to those rules. Obviously, take any game, there are some rules. Okay, let us see what happens if the rules are changed. Okay, we are supposed to change these rules. For example, in cricket, batsman gets out if the bails fall. Okay, if you are aware about cricket, then it is a simple rule that if the bail falls, the batsman gets out. If the bails fall off the stumps, okay, then he is out. Imagine if there is a rule that the entire team will out if all the three stumps fall. Look, only one stump fall, then he will be out. If two stumps fall down, then he will be out, one player will be out. But if all the three stumps fall down, then whole team will got all out. This is new rule that we are going to impart. Would it be fun? Of course it would be fun. When we change a rule slightly even, then it changes the whole game. So it changes the whole game and we would have some fun. Okay, try and play the game with these rules. Okay, with this new rule we can play game. Make some rules for other games and play. Okay, so we can make some other rules and we can try to play accordingly. Okay, so wouldn't it be funny? Obviously it would be funny. Okay, so here is the end of this lesson. Okay, from the discussion point of view, but we are going to discuss some other things that are very important to know about. Okay, when we are learning about a game, when we are learning about the game icon, then we have to learn about some other game icons also. Okay, so we will discuss about it. So this is something out of your syllabus, but it is very important to know about. Okay, what are we going to study there? Some Indian female athletes are there. Okay, we are going to study about only female or girl athletes. Okay, who have made us all proud by playing the game. Okay, some game icons are there, but only female icons are we are going to discuss. Okay, so now let us see. First one is Sania Mirza. You might have heard her name. Okay, look at the picture. She is Sania Mirza. Okay, what is she having? She is having a racket over here. There is a tennis ball. So obviously we can understand that she is a tennis player. Okay, she represents our country in international sport. Okay, and she is very famous sport icon in India or in world also. Now let us see what is her achievement. She was ranked number 1. Okay, look, she was ranked number 1 for 91 weeks straight in the women's double category. Look, in international, tennis is played in two categories, single and double. So in double category, she was ranked number 1 for straight 91 weeks. Okay, for how much period? For 91 weeks of period, she was ranked number 1 in international sport. So don't you think it is an achievement? Yes, it is. So she had made us a country, she had made us and a whole our country proud. Okay, next one is Mary Kom. Okay, so she is also very famous icon. Okay, and in which game? Look at her hands. I hope you got the game, that is boxing. She represents our country in boxing. Okay, she is very famous. Now let us see Magnificent Mary. Okay, Magnificent Mary, that's what we call her, is a 5-time world boxing champion. वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन की विनर है वो। कितने टाइम देखो, 5 टाइम, नॉट 1 2 3 टाइम्स। ही हैड वन द वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप 5 टाइम and only female boxer to win a medal in each one of 6 world championships. Now look, still now there are 6 world championships are there, and she had won a medal in each of it. She is the only one female athlete is there who had won medal in every world championship. Okay, and she was awarded with Padma Bhushan. Okay, Padma Bhushan award. There are awards. These awards are given by Indian government. Padma Bhushan is there, Padma Vibhushan is there, okay, Padma Shri is there. So this kind of award are there. Arjun award is there, okay. So she was awarded by Padma Bhushan award, okay. So she is also very famous sport icon. Next one is Saina Nehwal, okay. Look at her picture. She is carrying a medal in her hand, okay. She plays a sport called badminton, okay. The first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic medal. सबसे पहली फीमेल थी इंडियन कि जिसने ओलंपिक में मेडल जीता, ओके. यू माइट बी अवेयर अबाउट ओलंपिक, ओके, सुना होगा नाम ओलंपिक्स का, ओके. तो ओलंपिक्स में वो पहली इंडियन फीमेल थी कि जिसने वो मेडल जीता बैडमिंटन में, ओके. नॉट इन एवरी गेम, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली बैडमिंटन. शी इज अवॉर्डेड विथ, उसको कितने अवार्ड मिले देखो, अर्जुन अवार्ड, पद्मश्री, पद्म भूषण. सो शी वाज अवॉर्डेड बाय 3 अवार्ड्स. अर्जुन अवार्ड इज देयर, पद्मश्री इज देयर, पद्म भूषण इज देयर, ओके. सो शी इज वेरी फेमस ऑल्सो. अब कुछ और एथलीट्स है, ओके. उनका सिर्फ मैंने एथलीट्स का नाम और उनकी गेम लिखी है, ओके. So what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to search about them, okay. So you can search in Google about Mithali Raj. First one is Mithali Raj. So you just type Mithali Raj in Google and search and try to read about her, okay. You will enjoy it 100%. I am sure you will enjoy it, okay. So let us see a sport icon in cricket, Mithali Raj, okay. She was a former captain also. Next one is Geeta Phogat. Geeta Phogat is, she plays a game wrestling. She is wrestling player, okay. Geeta Phogat, if you have seen a movie, if you have watched a movie called Dangal, okay, Amir Khan's movie, that is Dangal. So she is based on Geeta Phogat and her sisters, okay. Geeta Phogat, Geeta Phogat. So there are 4 sisters I think, okay, and they all are wrestlers, okay. They all play wrestling sport. Next one is Sakshi Malik. She is also a wrestling player. She is also very famous. PV Sindhu is there. She is also badminton player, okay. She is very famous now, PV Sindhu. Next one is Deepika Kumari. She is famous in archery, okay. She plays the game of archery, Deepika Kumari. The last one is Deepak Karmakar, gymnastic, okay. Gymnastic में हमें फर्स्ट टाइम मिला था अवार्ड लास्ट ओलंपिक में, ओके. फर्स्ट अवार्ड इन जिम्नास्टिक एंड शी वाज अचीव्ड बाय दीपा कर्माकर, ओके. सो शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी famous athlete in India. So these are some famous athletes. So you are supposed to search about all these athletes in Google and read about them, okay. और भी बहुत सारे फीमेल एथलीट्स हैं, उनके बारे में भी आप सर्च कर सकते हो. अनदर थिंग, अनदर होमवर्क इज देयर. अब now if we are talking about kabaddi, then you have to search about international kabaddi team of girls that represent India, okay. In Google you can search about it. What you have to type? You have to type international kabaddi girls team of India. Then you will see some players, who is the captain of team, and you will get to know about them, okay. Try to search it and enjoy it. Hope you are getting it. Thank you.